We're
gonna have us an Alabama crawfish boil. We just caught these live ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. We let about 10 or 15 of them go. Got our primitive style crawfish boiler set up here. As soon as she's boiling, we're gonna throw them in. Let's get them ones out of the cooler.
Look at the bottom of that pot already.
Put them on the video.
Shouldn't hurt it,
and I bought some because I didn't think we was gonna catch a whole lot. So we bought 2 bags of these.
Right
oh, turning yellow.
2 bags of what?
Louisiana boiled crawfish, fully cooked and ready to eat.
Shouldn't hurt that thing.
And then
Some Sprite.
there's some seasoning somewhere we're gonna throw in there. When the water boils, we shall return. All right, the water has come to a boil. It's been about 10 minutes since I last recorded. We threw this in there. Now I'm about to add the live crawfishies, one at a time, just to show you Billy. And that's his cousins right there. They fighting. They already
decided who's going in first. Oh, that's a monster.
Yeah.
They call him king crab.
Yeah, it's king crab there. And he died. He didn't make the journey, so he dead. Oh, Earl. How about that?
That's a pretty color.
They are pretty, man. They got green and red and all kind of colors on them. We let a bunch of them go because they were too small. We let a baby one that had babies go too. We're gonna let that boil for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna throw the other ones in, and we'll be back. And we're back. We're about to dump these Louisiana boiled crawfish in there.
Somebody had a good catch.
Here, dump them in there, Josh.
Dang, that was a big one, dude. Check
How about that? Here's round 2. We're finna have a meal. Alabama style.
There's Dalton.
Yeah, buddy.
Our boil kind of went away, but it'll come back.
We did catch some too, though.